Konnos Beach, Protaras. In the summer, a beach that's a little quieter can be hard to come by. If you all want a seaside day without the party vibes, then you've found it at Konnos Beach. This is a stunning place surrounded by rocks, pines, and eucalyptus trees. It was lost between Ayia Napa and Protaras, away from the crowds of these resorts. There is rarely wind and waves here. The sand is still snow white, and the water plays like an emerald and is clear unusually. In a word, beauty is everywhere in this bay. Such an idyll will relax any tourist. When Nissi is too crowded in the summer, Konnos Beach can be considered the best in this part of Cyprus.